You need to check out this beauty tool that I have been using for several months now. This is called the Nira Pro Laser, and it is the first and only FDA cleared painless at-home laser that is actually proven to reduce wrinkles with a big enough tip to treat the full face, neck, chest, and hands. It's also the largest and fastest at-home laser tool to use too. I am 58 and I have some fine lines and wrinkles as well as discoloration, some sagging and loose skin, and I have been seeing some wonderful differences in the appearance of my skin since I started using this, especially here around my eye area. I am actually very consistent about using this daily because it is so easy to use. Treatment sessions are super quick and they are really easy. So here's a really quick explanation of the science and benefits behind the laser. So we all know that we lose elastin and collagen as we age. That results in the fine lines and wrinkles that we actually see on our skin. And the Nira laser is a non-fractional at-home laser treatment that is going to penetrate through the outer layer of skin into the dermis where our collagen and elastin cells are located, and it's going to heat up the skin and it's going to trigger the body to naturally build new collagen. So what we see is younger looking skin in 90 days with daily use. They even have a money back guarantee.
Here's a quick demo for you. Always use on clean, dry skin. Power the device on and choose from the 5 levels. You should start at level 1 and work your way up. The treatment should feel warm and not painful. The device automatically fires when it makes proper contact with your skin. You will hear a beep. When you hear the second beep, pick the laser up and move it to the next spot. You can use the laser around your eye area, around the mouth, the neck, chest, hands, and more. And because of the wide tip, treatments are really fast. You could do your whole face in 3 minutes. When you're done, be sure to use moisturizing serums and moisturizers that are going to plump and hydrate your skin. And of course, if you're outdoors, be sure to use SPF.
Go ahead and insert a couple pictures here for you, just photos of before, during, and after I started my treatment. As you can tell already, I am extremely impressed with this device. I have tried a lot of beauty tools, and this one actually delivers what it promises. Be sure to check out my link and read the reviews about the product for yourself. Also, just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.